But how many of y'all gonna be disciplined enough to be like, I gotta get my net worth up first. I gotta go do something. Look, this is what I mean by get mad. I don't care if you have a yard sale. I don't care if you have a fire sale. There's some stuff you can do this summer and get rid of some stuff to get you some cash from people who believe that one man's trash is another man's what? Treasure. You can have a fire sale and go pay some debt off with the $500 you made at the garage sale this week. See, people ain't willing to do that. That's why you don't have the right perspective. When you have the right perspective and you know why you're doing something, you'll do anything. Because you're doing it with a goal in what? In mind. Two things. Get what? Mad. Get mad. I mean, two words. Get what? Mad. Look. The government decided to teach everybody to get a what? Job. That's very noble. A job is noble. Nothing wrong with working. I've worked before. I've had several jobs. My first job was at a laundromat when I was 9 years old. Wasn't even old enough to work. Just walked into a laundromat. Never forget this. Walking distance from my house. Well, actually, bike distance from my house. Young lady was so proud to see a 9-year-old looking for work that she hired me to just take her trash out every day. And she paid me every week just to clean up the laundromat and take the trash out. I've been working since I was 9 years old. Now, work is noble, work is great, work is fine. But work and wealth are not synonymous.
That's right.
Work and wealth are not synonymous. I know plenty of people that work that are not wealthy. I know plenty of people that are wealthy that don't work. Work and wealth are not synonymous. So if you know work and wealth are not synonymous, you got to change what you apply or what you're putting work into. Am I right? Okay. So the government said, look, let's send everybody, or and the government education system and corporate America, believe it or not, all work together. It's important that you get this. It's gonna sound like I'm being non-patriotic. I'm not. But it's the fact. Your educational system is paid for by endowments from corporate America. Now, corporate America, let's be clear, gets all this money from who? Us, but I want the right word for us.
Employees.
Consumers. Don't get it twisted. Let's be clear. All right, let's be clear. All the big companies, we got to get this now. All the big companies. I don't care if you Colgate, which is owned by Procter & Gamble. Y'all do know that, right? Yes. You do know that. You think like, what's better, Crest or Beane? It's all Procter & Gamble. You do know that, right? You think you gonna go with Tide this week, and next week, give me another one, Gain. All Procter & Gamble. It's the same. They got you thinking that, you want Charmin or you want all Procter & Gamble. So GE, Procter & Gamble, IBM, the list goes on. Facebook, Amazon, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, whatever. All these companies make money because of who? Consumers. Now, if the corporations make money on the backs of consumers, then corporations are the people with the biggest what? Checks. If the corporations are the people with the biggest checks, they're the ones that cut the endowments to the education system. So the education system is going to teach what corporate America wants them to teach. That's why you don't have Entrepreneurship 101. Because if you had Entrepreneurship 101, you would then own your own Tide, your own Gain, your own Crest, your own Colgate, then you wouldn't need Procter & Gamble. So they got to teach you at an early age to get a job so you can keep spending your hard-earned dollars and making corporations wealthy, and corporations then tell education systems what to what? Teach. So you're going to teach what they say teach, which is business administration, which is finance, which is accounting. Teach them how to work for someone. Does that make sense? Yeah. So it's a big circle. The minute you get that and get mad at your situation, you're going to become self-educated.